Good morning traders, welcome to MST School of Trading. Today 23rd February 2022, let us quickly see what happened in yesterday's mark as per our MST ICOR 2.0 indicator. Now come back, now I have selected Bank Nifty and I have kept in default settings. See here, I am going to settings and making it to default settings. So as per default settings, what happened? Sell has been activated and I'm enabling the sell targets and all the three targets have been achieved perfectly. Then it has given the reversal. Okay, this is with the as per default settings. But you all know in Bank Nifty we are following 360 days time frame. Okay, 360 days time frame. So I will show in 360 days time frame only. So go here and select 360. Now see what happened. So in this 360, first sell activated and immediately target is not achieved. We missed the target by 10 points. Then it went up, it went to the midpoint of the sell entry, then it has reversed and it has given almost 3 targets. Okay, this is how it is working. It is very simple. Once again I will reset. The strategy is very simple. Market will open in between our buy and sell entry. Whenever it is coming to buy entry, you have to buy. Whenever it is going to sell entry, you have to sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell. If a sell hit before the target, then you have to reverse the position with doubling the lots. Okay, this is the strategy. It is very simple. So next one, I will show you in Bank Nifty features also. In Bank Nifty features, what happened? As I told you, we have to keep in 360 time frame for the Bank Nifty. So now what happened? Exactly sell activated and how many targets we have got? We have got here also 3 targets we have got perfectly. After the 3 target, market has reversed. We don't have to bother about the market, where it is going, where it is coming. Okay, if we get the target, we have to close the trade and we have to close our system and we have to go for the other work. Then let me show you our favorite script, CRUDEOIL. I will come here. For CRUDEOIL, we should not keep 360 days. See, CRUDEOIL, what happened? Market has opened in green and immediately our sell got activated and SL hit. See, the SL point was only 15 points, right? But our SL was safe. Once second buy is activated and all our targets in the second buy achieved. So now I will disable all other entry and I will take only second buy entry. See here, all the targets have been achieved in the second buy. Now I will show you the extended target. Okay, here I have kept small targets. I will show you extended target. In small target also, all targets have been achieved. So I will show you normal targets. Normal targets, 2 targets have been achieved. If you want extra targets, here we will be giving one more option. First to buy target 4. Okay, that you can use it later. So as of now, what you have to do, 3 targets have been achieved in 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio after hitting our SL. In second buy, our strategy is very simple. If SL hit, we have to double the position in the reversal trend. Suppose sell side SL hit, we have to buy 2 lot in buy and book the profit at the first target if you are a small trader. Otherwise, keep trailing the stop loss. Okay, so this is our strategy. Thank you all for watching our video. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel for free updates. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.